What's going on? My name is Michael Petty, and I want to talk about the Perpetual Leverage. Listen, Perpetual Leverage is part of Power Lead System. Power Lead System is the only company that has Perpetual Leverage. So once you get on the inside, you're going to see what Perpetual Leverage is about. When you click the link in the description of this video, you're going to be brought to this page. Okay, when you enter your email address, you're going to be brought to the page that's going to show you the video about Perpetual Leverage. Discover the future of affiliate marketing. Perpetual Leverage. Watch this video. If you're not blown away, I don't know what you're looking at, honestly, because I'm going to be honest. At one point, I stopped promoting Power Lead System. Okay, when I heard about Perpetual Leverage, I came running back. Okay, this is one of the hottest opportunities out there. It used to be just a tool suite, okay, to use for the tools to build any other business. I made money building other businesses using this tool. Now it's a powerful tool and also a business opportunity. You literally don't have to promote anything else if you have Power Lead System. But I do promote Exitus Elite, because not only do I want to build a residual income with Power Lead System and with Perpetual Leverage, you make money on sales you don't make. When you watch this video, you're going to see how you make money on sales you don't make. But I also want to earn direct instant commission, because with Exitus Elite, we earn up to $2,000 in direct instant commission. My son over there, so if he hears the noise, that's who that is. So we're building a residual income that's going to pay you month after month, year after year, over and over and over again, and at the same time you get to build instant direct payments. Because when I mean instant direct, as soon as you make a sale, the money goes directly into the payment process of your choice, PayPal, Cash App. You get to choose an Exitus Elite, and I'm gonna show you how I use this system to promote Exitus Elite. Okay, so watch the video. Right, you got the gold membership, and that's $20 per member per month. Right, $53.97, and on top of that, you earn a $20 residual income. Right, that's the first revenue stream. You can start that for $1 just to check it out. Right, that's why that thing right here says I want freedom for $1. You can get in and check all this out for $1. Okay, you're gonna get the full-blown 2-week trial of the gold membership. All right, now the things you have to purchase on the inside: free ad secrets. So I'm going to take you inside the back office real quick, and this is what you're going to see when you log in. Free ad secrets, you click on that. Okay, you click here to get inside of free ad secrets. The next product is Lead Generation Academy. This is like getting one-on-one training. Okay, Ace and Rich, once a month, they come in and they work with you, bring your emails, bring your capture page. They're going to show you what worked, what may not work with you on your information, and that's $105 a month. It pays a residual through Perpetual Leverage, $45 every single month. Next, you got Home Business Pro, $497. You earn a $200 commission. Even when someone on your team make a sale, you're going to make a $200 commission. If someone on your bottom level make a sale, you're going to earn a $200 commission. Same thing with Master Traffic Institute, right? And right here, and you get paid unlimited times without making the sale. Okay, Perpetual Level works exactly the same for all 4 levels. The only difference is the commission total. You focus on driving the traffic to your link. We take over pretty much. As I drive traffic to my lead capture page. Now I created this lead capture page. Now Power Lead System has lead capture pages already done for you. You don't have to create anything, but I like to use the tools to show people the tools is the real power, right? On top of using the tools, I can make money using the tools, right? Taking people through Perpetual Leverage. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you the power behind Power Lead System. Now in the original Perpetual Leverage video, this is not here. I added that, right? Because I want to let you know this here is in a different spot on this page, but I want you to let you know up front about the gold membership. Also, what I added, because we can edit all the pages. We can take the pages, add to them, take away, take out what you don't want, add in what you want. I added this part. You get paid on limited sales you get paid unlimited times without making a sale. I added that. And I also added, you focus on driving traffic and we take over from there. I added that to this. This come with it. This is the testimonials. This come with it. This is the testimonials. That's my testimony of Perpetual Leverage, how it brought Frank Calabo Jr., a multi-million-dollar earner out of retirement, who built the cash now funnel and the kitchen table funnel, which you're going to access to. When you get inside, I'm going to give you access to those two funnels also. You got more testimonies, right? Me showing a snapshot of the back office, okay? Now, Neil Guest is the owner of Power Lead System. 4 nights a week, Monday through Friday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. He do live conference calls where you can literally call the number, listen in, and even ask your questions, and he will answer them right there on the call. So not only do you got Neil Guest, the owner, making sales for you, answering your prospects' questions, you focus on driving traffic. The system does the training, right? Get started for $1, and these are my team bonuses. You get my one-on-one bonus training. Listen, you buy those one-time products, okay? You get free ad secrets. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you for your link. Give me your link. I'm going to run traffic to your link, okay? Now, I won't do it for lead generation because that's a monthly thing. And, once you get a lot of people in your team, that's hard to come up with. But you get Home Business Pro, I'm going to purchase more traffic, run it to your link. You get Master Traffic Institute, I'm going to purchase more traffic and run it to your link, okay? That's one of the bonus. And also you get right here, once you enter your name, once you enter your email address here, you're going to come to this page. You're going to get my copy and paste swap file. You're going to get that, right? What this has is headlines, email swipes, social media posts, traffic sources, and proofs. Let me show you just to run through what you get. Those headlines, those email swipes you can get your hands on, social media posts. You don't know what to post, grab one of these, throw them out there on the internet. These are the traffic sources. Udimi, that's one of the traffic sources that we like to use to get traffic. That's one I'm going to use to get fast traffic to your link once you buy those products. Here's another one. This is automatic. Once you set it, right, they can bill you every month and they're going to feed you traffic. This is an offline strategy. Realistic drop cards. I don't have them on me right now because I don't feel like running there and get my wallet. But you drop these anywhere with your message on the inside, and people are going to see those. Now, these are the proof. These are lead lightning sales. Okay. Now, when I show you these proofs, you can use these proofs in your marketing. Okay. These are lead lightning sales. Now, don't tell people these are your sales. You can say this is the type of income that can be made with Power Lead System. Okay. These are all the gold memberships. Now, this is part of Exitus Elite. Once again, you join my team Exitus Elite, you're going to get additional bonuses, more than what you see here. I got bonuses just for Exitus Elite. Mega swap file, 3 generational bonus training, which is 6-figure content showing you how to make these $1,000 and $2,000 commissions over and over again. Get a vacation voucher when you come in at least G1000, G2000. I also have a huge bonus I give away when you join my team at Exitus Elite. Okay. Like I said, you can make money even using Udimi, right? And you can offset your cost of buying traffic. You get enough people using Udimi. When they buy traffic, you get paid. You can use that money to buy more traffic running through your system. G1000 sale made in Exitus Elite, and this is a $2,000 sale made in Exitus Elite, paid directly to you. You make a sale, you make a $2,000 sale. That same day, the money is available. You can go have fun and spend it, right? You can get access right here to Exitus Elite. You can get access to Power Lead System right here. And what I also did was I took this page and I share coded. One part of Power Lead System is making funnels, making pages that you can share them with your team. The Cash Now funnel is one of the best funnels that's out there. It shows you how to set everything up, okay? And that promotes Power Lead System, and it promotes Perpetual Leverage. And this is all in my copy and paste file. You can take this because it's a share code. You can change this picture up here, call it your copy and paste swap file. Make sure these links are pointed to you. Okay. It's also at the very bottom, right? Make sure these links, make sure it goes to your Exitus Elite link, make sure it goes to your Power Lead System link, and make sure it goes to your Cash Now funnel link. But you're going to get access to this page where you can edit it and do whatever you like once you become part of my team. I'm going to take you on the inside of Home Business Pro. I want to show you something I'm super excited about. Okay, when I take you on the inside right here at the interview series, right, I am honored to be one of the individuals interviewed or conversation with Brian Bracken. Brian Bracken is a programmer here in Power Lead System. He wanted to get with some headhunters and also average people who's had success in making money inside of Power Lead System. You got Aid Heath, Ace and Rich. Ace and Rich are the ones that do the training. That's the one thing I want to mention. With Power Lead System, twice a week, okay, they do the Lead Generation Academy training, and twice a week, Mondays at 12 p.m., Thursdays at 6 p.m. So they just had one yesterday. They do fast start training, showing you and your team how to get started fast. Power Lead System is you drive the traffic. The system takes over. This system has everything you need. The only way you can possibly lose with a Power Lead System, if you just don't get it out there, you don't drive traffic, you don't get your face out there, you don't get seen, you don't give it. And a lot of people quit before they even can give it time to work. You got to give it time, right? In the fast start training, they go over all that. Ernest O'Dell, that's a headhunter. He is amazing at this business. You got Matt Steingard, Endless Free Leads. You're going to learn more about that. Matt DeMayo over the mindset training and my interview. Now, when you're driving those leads, even though Power Lead System have email autoresponders already built there and ready to go, has lead capture pages, already have the sales pages, already have the email autoresponder ready to go, but it only lasts so long, right? So you're going to get access in the Home Business Pro to a $7 million earner, showing you his blueprint on how he writes emails to make sales. 9 courses or 9-week classes that you're going to get to, right? A multi-million-dollar giving you one-on-one training, or he goes over a lot of information, as you can see right here. And also, you're going to get access to the resources that he developed. He developed the resources and gave you the resources of printouts, email swipes that you can take advantage of. You got YouTube information, you got GPT training, you got additional bonus training right here. 7 steps to grow your business. I'm not going to go over every single video. You got Ace and Rich showing you 7 ways to use social media training to brand yourself. Very bottom here, you got Franco showing you how to do blog marketing. It's jam-packed with value. And understand, that's not counting, right? That's just a Home Business Pro. That's not counting the free ad secrets. It's not counting Lead Generation Academy. That's Home Business Pro. It's not counting Master Traffic Institute. Now, if Home Business Pro got that value, you can imagine what this got in it. And it pays a $500 commission through every leg and every sale. And when someone even on your lowest leg make a sale, you're going to make $500. That's passive income. You don't make those sales. Someone else make those sales and you get paid. Power Lead System is absolutely crazy. So let me show you how Power Lead System also helps you promote your business, right? When you log into your business, at the very bottom of this page, it will have your name. Okay, when your prospects log into their back office, it's going to have your name, your contact information, your sponsors, recommended income stream. When a person clicks that link, when you go over here to Fast Start and you click on My Income Stream, whatever link that you place right here, okay, your prospects log in, they're going to click this link and it's going to send them over to whatever business you're promoting. I promote Exitus Elite, right? So you're going to see how you can make $1,000 and $2,000 commissions. You're going to see how this company closes your sales. When your prospects call this number, give them the reference number. There's a call center that will close your sales and send you the commission, okay? Yes, Power Lead System does the selling and Exitus Elite does the selling, right? Make money in Exitus Elite. Go watch that video. Join me now, okay? My contact information. And in the email that I'm going to send you, you're going to learn more about those other team bonuses that I provide. As you see right here, page created using Power Lead System tools. That's the power behind Power Lead System, creating funnels, pages, and sharing them with your team. You're going to get access to this, right? You become part of my team, you're going to get access to another sales page that my sponsor shared with me, and everything my sponsor gave me, Exitus Elite, I'm going to share with you. So listen, click that link that's attached to this video. Okay, you're going to see Power Lead System, Perpetual Leverage. It's going to bring you to this page, right? It's going to be the only link in this video. So go ahead and do that right now. My name is Michael Petty. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Talk to you soon.